From where we are writing? This facts angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Now check this whether they are 180 or not. So 126 plus 44. Add this and tell me what is the answer. 126 plus 44. What is the answer? 170. 170 degree. Means this is the rule that the sum of interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. But when we add this, the answer is 170 degree. Clear? So this is not equals to 180 degree because the sum is 170 and according to the facts the sum is 180 degree. Means the sum 180 not come if we add this. Means these lines are not parallel. If the lines are parallel, it means 80 degree. Is it clear? जब इसको ऐड कर रहे हैं अपन 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए, देन इन दैट कंडीशन वी कैन से दैट द लाइंस आर पैरेलल बिकॉज दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर पैरेलल लाइंस. फॉर पैरेलल लाइंस, if the lines are parallel, then interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So if we add this, what is the answer? 180. Then the lines are parallel. But here whatever the angle mentioned, if we add them, the sum is not 180 degree. The sum is not equals to 180 degree. It means the lines L is not parallel to M. After then what you have to write? Since the sum is not 180 degree, therefore L is not parallel L is not parallel to M. Clear? Why not parallel? Yes?
Yes, sir. We have to also write angle from this definition.
Yes? Once again, ask.
Sir, we have to write also this definition. Which is right.
Yes, reason also you have to write. Yes, this reason also you have to write. If the lines are parallel, then angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. After then we are checking that the sum is 180 degree or not, है ना? So if we add, then it is equal to 170 degree. Means the sum is not equals to 180 degree. Clear? So this also necessary to write. So L is not parallel to M. Clear? Why not parallel? Because their sum is not equal to 180 degree. And according to the facts, the lines are parallel. Only in this case, if the angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary here. Here this case is given, these two interior angles. Is there any doubt in this question? Is there any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
So clear why these lines are not parallel? Clear or not why this line L is not parallel to M? Because the sum of these interior angles on the same side of the transversal, which is equal to 180 degree, and here the sum is 170, means not equals to 180 degree. Now I am telling the portion, periodic test 1 portion. So that is chapter 1 and chapter 2. Is it clear? Test portion, periodic test for 1, the portion is chapter 1 and chapter 2. Is it clear? Yes or no? Chapter Chapter 1 and chapter 2 will come in the periodic test. Is it clear? Now the questions, multiple choice question will come. Is it clear? In the test, multiple choice question will become MCQ questions. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
In the test I will send one link, है ना. Whenever the test start, at that time, particular time, clear, I will send one link, clear. So you have to click that link, and after then the link will open, है ना. Then you have to attempt the questions, whatever the questions are there in that, you have to attempt the questions, and for to attempt that question, time duration also there. Is it clear? So in that time you have to solve that question. Suppose if the time duration is 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 25 minutes, whatever the duration is there, clear, in the question paper, time duration also mention that time. So you have to complete that question in that particular time limit. Understand? Yes or no?
Explain one more time. Sir, explain one more time.
जब टेस्ट स्टार्ट होगा, सो सेम डे, है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम टेबल, है ना. सो सपोज आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल योर मैथ्स टेस्ट, सपोज, क्लियर, टुमारो विच डेट, या टुडे ओनली you take. Today is your example maths test. It is mentioned in the timetable. So the time is suppose 8:30. Understand? So 8:30 at the same time means 2 minutes earlier I will send the link. 2 minutes or 3 minutes earlier means
WhatsApp group or in
Teams. In Microsoft Teams. ठीक है. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स में जैसे क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं अपन, ठीक है, जैसे क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो उसी में चैट ऑप्शन में हम एक लिंक सेंड करेंगे. ठीक है, उसी में एक लिंक सेंड करेंगे. तो उस लिंक को क्या करना है, ओपन करना है. तो उसमें सबसे पहले ऑप्शन आ जाएगा कि योर इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट फर्स्ट इन द फर्स्ट पेज you have to fill the information. What information? Your name, class and section. Suppose your class is 7th, so you have to fill that 7, and in the section, suppose whatever the section, B section, C section, है ना, या Jasmine other section, whatever the section, you have to fill that information. Clear? First you have to fill the name, then class, then section. After then what you have to do, जब ये इंफॉर्मेशन फिल हो जाएगी तो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन आएगा. क्लियर? तो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन में फिर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. आफ्टर देन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, सपोज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज add this integers या subtract this integers, है ना, like this, and the 4 options are there. Suppose the answer is 0 in the second option, 2 in the third option, suppose 4, and the fourth option suppose -5. Clear? So after filling the information, name, class, section, then you have to solve the questions. So whatever the answer, that you have to click. Suppose the answer of first question is first one, so you have to click this one, है ना. So one by one like this you have to solve whatever the number of questions are there in the question paper. Suppose 10 question, 5 questions, जितने भी questions रहेंगे, one by one you have to solve, and after then you have to submit. Is it clear? This way the exam periodic test will conduct. हाँ, is there any doubt? हाँ, yes. टाइम टेबल अभी बाद में सेंड कर देंगे, ठीक है. आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग टाइम टेबल, देन इट विल सेंड ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. इज इट क्लियर? टाइम टेबल प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा, देन सिस्टर विल फॉरवर्ड, एंड देन आई विल फॉरवर्ड इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके?
उसमें आपके सबमिट का ऑप्शन रहेगा.
सबमिट ऑप्शन रहेगा उसमें, तो उसको सबमिट करना है, ठीक है।
सर
हाँ।
सर मतलब जो क्वेश्चन आएंगे सर उसमें वो वाले क्वेश्चन को उसमें से कोई भी आंसर नहीं रहा तो क्या करेंगे, क्या लिखना है सर? फिर
वो ऑप्शन सब चेक करते रहेंगे, टेंशन मत लो।
If it possible, in the next class I will take the demo test. Okay? I will take one demo test in the next class. है ना? वैसे हमने बता दिया है, ये सेम प्रोसेस यू हैव टू फॉलो, है ना? तो देखेंगे अगर होगा तो हम वन टाइम आई विल टेक द डेमो टेस्ट। क्लियर?
मतलब कोई भी क्वेश्चन का अगर वो आंसर नहीं रहा तो फिर क्या करेंगे
तो
सर?
वेरीफाइड क्वेश्चन देंगे।
वो उसमें ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन देंगे हम जिसमें उसका ऑप्शन हो। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर।
Out of that 4 option, 1 option is correct, so that you have to choose.
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
So prepare chapter 1 and chapter 2 for the periodic test 1. Is it clear? What is the first chapter? Tell me the name of first chapter. Integers. And what is the name of second chapter? Second chapter name? Yes. Okay. Okay, now we will continue. Next. Now we will continue time. Now the second part. Question number 6, second part. Here also 2 lines are given. This is line L, this is M, this one is N. L, M and N. These angle are here 75, this angle is also 75. Now we have to check whether this L is parallel to M. L is parallel or not. So these are the 2 lines, L and M. This is the transversal. Not parallel, but we have to prove that, है ना? According to the rules, according to the facts, we have to check whether the lines are parallel or not. So now we are taking, if the line L is parallel to M, clear? Here now we are taking if, the condition if, clear? So if they are parallel, this is the transversal, means this angle, suppose we are taking this angle as X. So angle X is also 75 degree. Tell me the reason why. The condition, if the lines are parallel, here already I am explained that if L is parallel to M, in this case, this is the transverse. So this angle X is equal to 75. Yes or no? If yes, why? What is the reason why they are equal? Tell me. Then angle X equal to 75 degree. Why? No answer from your side?
Sir, 150.
What I asked, what is the value of angle X if the lines are parallel? The yes, equal to 75. Why? Because they are corresponding angle. If the lines are parallel, L is parallel to M and this is the transversal, then this angle X and this angle, they are equal because they are corresponding angle. Is it clear? So X equal to 75. Then these 2 angles, this X plus this angle 75, they form a linear pair. According to this linear pair property, linear pair property, x plus 75 equal to 180 degree. Now after then 180 minus 75, 180 minus 75, then whatever the answer come, that is, if they equal to 75, then these lines are parallel, otherwise the lines are not parallel, because here we are taken this case, the lines are parallel, then these angles are corresponding angles, so they are equal. So after subtracting, this is not equal to 75. Whatever the value come after subtracting, this is not equal to 75. Means the lines L is not parallel to M. The line L is not parallel to M. Now we will continue in the next class. Is it clear? The time is over. Now we will continue in the next class. So try to complete this question in homework. Clear? This second part.
Yes, sir.
Be ready for the next class. Sir, attendance over.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.